Hey there, it's Kimberly with SafeStrap, and today we're showing you how to inspect and replace your seatbelts. All you need to do is inspect the straps and replace them if needed. Here's what to look for to determine if a strap needs to be changed. Make sure the webbing is free of visible fraying, rips, or tears. Make sure that the stitching is visibly intact and has no loose or pulled threads. Make sure that the buckles have no cracks or are missing parts or halves. Make sure that the adjusters are present and working properly and are not broken or cracked. Open and close the buckle and give it a tug to make sure it is secure, works smoothly and properly. The overall look of the restraint should offer a clean and inviting appearance. There should be no signs of excessive wear, fading, stains, or damage on any part of the restraint. Here's how simple it is to replace a restraint. First, make sure you know the correct place to install the restraint. It's most likely where the old strap is, but to double check, we give you a book that shows every cart and where the strap is installed on each model. Simply find yours by matching your cart to the diagram in the book. Then cut off the old strap. Simply click on the new strap by looping the attacher around the correct wire and clicking it together. Remember to do this on the other side. And that's it. If you have further questions, simply contact myself or a SafeStrap team member today.